Smooth operations, maximum output. New arrival available. Hino Tractor Head E13C, 10 wheels and 6 wheels. With cargo drop side trailer. Triple axle. All parts are guaranteed original Japan and in good condition, as well as the quality. All units can be sold as is or fully recon for your satisfaction. You can pay true cash or bank financing. For more inquiries, please call Engineer Saman Jayantha at 0919-997-7999 or 091777999955. Visit our website www.osakasubic.com. You can also visit our yard at 𝙃𝙗𝙉𝙖𝙫𝙀 Road, Concepcion, Lubao, Pampanga. Like, share, and subscribe.